Welcome to Hybus News. I am Suresh Kocharil. Pension fund regulator PFRDA will propose the government to make contribution of employers in the 14% bracket under the NPS tax free for all categories of subscribers in the next budget. Chairman of the board, Suprabhat Bandyopadhyay, said that the employer's contribution of the 14% in pension under the National Pension Scheme for central government employees was made tax free from April 1, 2019. PFRDA may propose things like 14% contribution by employers to be made tax free to all. Currently, it is given only to central government employees. So, PFRDA is requesting the government to give it to all employees, whether state government or corporate entities, so that subscribers across the board can benefit, Mr. Bandyopadhyay told PTI. The PFRDA chairman said that states are asking that the 14% benefit be given to the state government employees also. He said some state governments have already written to the authority requesting the same. Besides the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA will ask the government to extend the benefit of Tier 2 NPS account as tax-free for all subscribers. Recently, the facility was granted to the central government employees. There is this Tier 2 NPS account which was made tax-free exclusively for central government employees recently. So, we would request the state governments and the government to union government to give the facility to all subscribers. In the tax-free Tier 2 account, we are keeping a lock-in period of 3 years because you are getting a tax-free status, he said. And we want it to be extended to all other employees, he added. A Tier 2 account under NPS is not a compulsory account. One can have it along with the Tier 1 account, he said, adding that the benefit with Tier 1 account, Tier 2 account is that it can be withdrawn immediately. Last month, Finance Ministry had kicked off the exercise to prepare the budget for 21-22 amid the urgency to revive the economy hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic. The upcoming budget will be crucial for the country as it will have to deal with the impact of the pandemic, which has affected all segments of the economy, including revenue collection, disinvestment, expenditure, exports and food prices. Budget 2021-22 is likely to be presented on February the 1st. NPS administered by the PFRDA is a voluntary, defined contribution retirement savings scheme designed to enable subscribers to make optimum decisions about their future needs. There are two types of NPS account, Tier 1 and Tier 2. While Tier 1 is a non-withdrawable permanent retirement account into which the accumulations are deposited and invested as per the option of the subscriber, the Tier 2 account is voluntary withdrawable account which is allowed only when there is an active Tier 1 account. The withdrawals are permitted from Tier 2 account as per the needs of the subscriber as and when claimed. PFRDA administers two pension schemes, NPS and the Atal Pension Yojana. NPS is mainly targeted at the employees in the organized sector, where the Atal Pension Yojana is meant mainly for those working in the unorganized sector. Thank you for watching.